Hey, it's Dan Digler. Today is part 2 of the Pareto principle, otherwise known as the 80-20 rule. Yesterday talked about the 80-20 rule regarding, your marketing channel mix and where you spend your time. Today I want to talk about your clients. It's something that I had to learn over time, is that really about 20% of my clients drive 80% of my profits. And also, with that, about 20% of my clients cause 80% of my headaches. And so, as I was looking to grow, I had to determine which clients was I going to shed, which clients did I want to keep, and it's one area where I actually applied the Pareto principle. And so it was really easy for me to decide, hey, those 20% of my clients that cause me the biggest headache, let's shed those. Let's not worry about it. They're causing me too much headache. They're not profitable. They're taking up a lot of my time. So that was an easy decision. Then came those other 60% where I was like, man, some of them are pretty good, but I don't know what they're going to look like in the long run. And so honestly, what I did was, I would talk with them, I'd nurture them, and if they turned into my top 20% or similar to them, I'd keep them. Otherwise, if I found new clients that were better, I'd end up shedding those. Now, some of that may sound, cold. Some of it may feel kind of calculated. But you know what? We're in business to make money. We're in business to grow. We're in business to provide better results. And if better clients that don't cause me headaches allow me to provide better results to my clients, I say I'm doing better work. And in the end, what actually ended up happening was both, not only was I able to do better work, but also by finding the better clients, I was actually to become more profitable at the same time, because they saw the value in what I was doing and allowed me to do that. And so it ended up being a win-win. So over the last 2 days, yesterday and today, I talked about the 80-20 rule, and hopefully you see some value in applying it yourself, both to save yourself some time, also to remove maybe some headaches and find some better clients for yourself. I'm Dan Digler. Thanks for joining me for Ain't No April Fool. I'll see you in the next one.